What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Chief Rocka, and I'm back again with another sneaker unboxing. Today I picked up a very special, extremely hyped sneaker, and that is the Grateful Dead Nike SB in the green colorway. This sneaker released at a local skate shop that is around my house, and I was just lucky enough to be able to go and pick it up. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the sneaker. I'm not here to waste you guys' time. I know what you guys want to see. Let me show you the sneaker. So let's start off with the box that this sneaker comes in. The sizing label reads Nike SB Dunk Low Pro Quick Strike in a green spark and soar colorway, and I got a size 8, which is not my true size, but with a drop like this, you take what you can get. On the other side of the box, it says Nike SB, and on the top of the box, it says Nike SB with your standard Nike swoosh. And the box is outfitted in an all-over rainbow effect. On the inside of the box, when you open these up, so nice. When you open these up, you get your standard Nike SB packing paper, but also you get these beautiful Nike SB Grateful Dead Quick Strike sneakers. So let me take these out of the box so I can show you guys exactly what we're working with. And I'll set the box off to the side. So these are your Nike SB Grateful Deads in the green bear colorway. I was extremely lucky to get these, and I also am going to try to do a review on, I know somebody who got the yellow bear version, and I'm also going to try to do a review on those really soon. So if you want to see that video, please subscribe to the channel, and it'll be up in a couple days. Let's get into what makes this sneaker so unique and so different. So YouTube, here you have the Grateful Dead Nike SB in the green bear colorway. On the bottom of the sneaker, you have your standard Nike SB outsole. Along the leading edge of the sole is your star pattern. You come down to the ball of the midsole, which has your swirl pattern. In the middle of the shoe, you have a green Nike SB accented panel, and then on the back side you have your standard Nike SB heel. The midsole of the sneaker, it is an all around green colorway, much like the rest of the sneaker. It's smooth, it doesn't really have any texture to it. So then you come up to the main body of the sneaker, which is a suede material, a very nice soft suede material that is accented by these head turning really nice fur panels. These fur panels are what make this sneaker so different and so unique. And then you have the Nike swoosh that has this really nice detailing that is reminiscent of the handkerchief that the Grateful Dead marching bear is wearing. If you guys can see that. On the heel of the sneaker, you have Nike branding, and on the inside you have this same Nike swoosh that you get that is reminiscent of that Grateful Dead bear handkerchief. Once you leave the fur paneling and you work your way up to the laces, the sneaker comes standard with the green laces that are already in the sneaker, but it also comes with a set of blue laces that you have the choice to swap out if you so choose. On the tongue of the sneaker, you have the Grateful Dead marching bear logo standing in front of a Nike swoosh. And then on the back of the tongue, you have the Grateful Dead lightning bolt, which reads, and around it reads, 2020 Grateful Dead Productions, all whites reserved. On the insole of the sneaker, you have all 5 of the Grateful Dead marching bears. Now, I would really like to see this sneaker come out in the blue colorway and in the pink colorway. I think those would be really, really nice to see, that pink fur and that blue fur on this sneaker. The last little detail that this sneaker gives you is a stash spot that is inside of the tongue. The entire tongue is a stash spot, and you can see that it is outfitted in that same blue colorway that we get on the rest of the sneaker. It's accented in that blue colorway. This is the Grateful Dead Nike SB in the green bear colorway. Let me guys know what you think about this sneaker down in the comment section. And if you plan on picking this sneaker up, do it soon, because the prices on these are extremely high right now, but they will only go up. The Nike SB Grateful Dead released on July 24th, 2020 for a retail price of $110. Now, that is a very low retail price, but it's standard for Nike SBs. The resale price on this sneaker right now is upwards of $1,000+. This is a very exclusive and limited shoe. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys feel about this sneaker. Is this the best colorway? Is the yellow the best colorway? Or is the orange the best colorway? I would personally love to see the other 2 bears get a representation on this sneaker. The pink bear and the blue bear. I think in blue, these sneakers would slap so hard. But with that being said, I'm gonna get up out of here. Once again, thank you guys so much for viewing this video. If you enjoyed the video, please like the video. And if you want to see future pickups that I get, please subscribe to my channel. But for now, I am out of here. I'm Chief Rocka, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.